kababayan? Are you guys having a great time? You know, this is the last celebration for the Fiesta Extravaganza. And of course, to Toronto, Fiesta Extravaganza. Can we please give them a round of applause? You know, I see familiar faces today. Thank you, Cholo. Can you please give them a round of applause? PIT Dance Crew, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Once again, palakpakan po natin sila. Daghan mag-Bisaya karon? Okay. Syagit ang mga Bisaya, be? Ha? Asa ko gikan? Sa Manila. How about mga Kapampangan? Oh, marami din. Ah, Malago. Mekene. Ah, Ilocano. Ayateng ka. May nakalimutan ba ako? Wala, taga Manila, Tagalog na eh, no? Ha? Tagalog! O nga naman, Tagalog! Thank you. You know, I'm so happy that I get the chance to perform for all of you today. And actually, I was in Vaughan last 2 years ago. Ganun na pala katagal yun, 2 years na pala, but it feels like kakapupunta ko lang, no? But once again, to Vaughan Canton, palakpakan ho natin for bringing me back here. And the whole family are here, Lot and everybody. Thank you so much, Von. Mag-hi ka naman, Von. Okay, meron pa. Saan na si Papa P? Where's Papa Philip? Palakpakan naman natin. Papa Philip Delozo, thank you. Siyang organizer po ng Toronto Fiesta Extravaganza. So, later on, I will be mentioning a lot of sponsors for tonight. And of course, my daughter is here, Siana. She traveled with me. Nagtinda yan. Nagtinda siya ganina. O, pinagtinda ko siya, magtrabaho ka. Nandito ka sa fiesta. Totoo, mamaya, mention ko, nandyan lang siya. Kay Kuya Wilson, diha. O niya na. Thank you. Letson lagi. Ikaw, Pau, ha, maingay. Amethyst is here as well. Okay, you know what? This show won't be complete without singing my own songs.